Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some Japanese vocabulary which is related to water in nature. Let's get started. Water 水水水 Waterfall 滝滝滝 Ocean 海海海 River 川川川 Stream 小川小川小川 Sandy Beach 砂浜砂浜砂浜 Seabed 海底海底海底 Ripple 波紋波紋波紋 Waterflow 水流水流水流 Lake 湖湖 Okay, that's it for today's lesson. If you want to learn more Japanese from me, please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions about this lesson or any requests, please comment below. I will answer. Also, please visit the website plainjapanese.com to review for today's lesson. I explain there for further details on this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.